Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1973 Chevrolet Camaro, 9,000 miles on a body-up restoration, killer color combination. This is the factory color combination. It's silver, code 64 with the black vinyl interior. I know I'm rushing, guys. As you can see, it's sprinkling, and then we got rain for the next three doggone days here. So I'm going to try to knock this out before the rain really starts coming in. But again, factory color combination. Really nice car, guys. Like a 10-year-old body-up restoration. It's not a real Z. It's a Z Tribute. But really nicely done, and this thing runs, guys. Georgia car, again, it's just little sprinkles on there. I apologize. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. This car has just been babied. It is super nice. Paint slick, chrome and stainless is very nice. It's got the front and rear spoilers. It's got a healthy aluminum-headed 383 stroker motor in it. And I love this color, man. I wish we had some sunshine on it. Unfortunately, though, it's just not meant to be here right now. Dual sport mirrors. It's just a bug. Again, paint is really slick on the car. Bugs everywhere. I'm not real sure what's going on. They must just like this color or something. Good, solid, straight Georgia body. It's got the factory Rally wheels with the Cooper radials all the way around it. It's a good looking car, man. And it runs. This car will get with the program. See a little Falcon I just bought yesterday in the background. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of the website. Keeping track of our social media. We update that stuff every single day. And it changes too daily, guys. It's almost like it stopped sprinkling here. We might get lucky. Again, 383 stroker motor, guys. 4-speed manual trans. Holley dual feed performance 4-barrel on it. Weiand aluminum intake. It's got a set of ceramic headers on it. Again, aluminum heads, power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning. Aluminum radiator. Really detailed up nice. Now, here comes the sprinkles again. You can see they got the vacuum canister on it for the brakes. Good looking car. Really lucky to get this in. Now I'm gonna get a big drop. We've got rain coming for 3 doggone days. And I'm leaving for a car show, which means we won't get anything else advertised till next week. Dual sport mirrors. Yeah, car is really nice. New door rubbers. You see the door seams are nice and clean. All factory black interior. Bucket seats, console, it's got the Hurst shifter. Factory steering wheel, factory tach and gauges. Trying not to hurry too much, guys. But yeah, 9106. Gauges are nice. Got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge there, aftermarket radio. Dash is really nice. It's got frame ties, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end with a rear sway bar. Jack with spares in the trunk here. Here's pictures of the car when it was being restored. Again, all your receipts and everything on the restoration. It's a nice car, man. Good quality car. It's the kind of car right there that's kept us around for 45 years, guys. Just a good, honest, little hot rod, fun to shift the gears. Fun car. Oh, did I mess up? Nope, I think I'm all right. I don't know what I've done. I think I've got it. Thought I hit that button there. It says still recording, so we're all right. Seats are nice. Dash is in great shape. Good car. Good. Air blows cold too, guys. This car scoots, guys. If you jump on it, you better be ready. This thing gets with the program. That works. Fuel gauge works in there. Hold a good oil pressure. Parking brake, Nathan, I never checked it. Parking brake does work, guys. The backup lights and everything are working. Reverse, Nathan. Radio work? It does, yeah. Radio works. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's a good looking car right there, man. Funny, as you walk around this car, the color, I don't know, almost like it brightens up and angles. I mean, it's a cool color on the car. It looks kind of dark here in the shade, where when the sun's on it, it just brightens up. But I think you probably can see in the video as you walk around, it's just kind of, it's a cool color. Pretty paint on this car. Pick up some gray, some silver. It's really